Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the Joah Box. This is a Korean beauty subscription box, and I did one unboxing before, so I will link that below in case you were interested, just to get a better idea of what kind of items you might get. So this is the May box. You do get this cute little pamphlet that shows the products and the retail prices and all that good stuff. So I'm going to set that aside for now. Look at the products, and then I'll remember to revisit that at the end. JoahBox Korean Beauty Subscription. This looks really neat. Real curved multi-brush. Let's take a look. I like that it's small. Just got back from vacation, so I brought a lot of like small brushes and compact stuff with me, so this would have been nice to take. Large curved multi-brush. It's real soft. That's cool. Definitely use that. So that's the first item. Also have Beauty Inside Bamboo. This is a sheet mask. Pretty cool packaging on that. Also have Sun Project. Thank You Farmer. Looks like it has a SPF 50, so it's some kind of sunblock. Yeah, that's nice. SPF 50. Let's see if it smells like a typical sunblock. Doesn't really smell like sunblock. It smells good. So definitely use that. Next we have Luxe Metal Glitter. So let's see what shade I got. Oh, that's pretty. Love the packaging too. Super shiny. Oh wow, yeah. That is very pigmented. So I just peeked at the card. It looks like there's different shades you can get, and this is to use as eyeshadow. You can either put it all over the lid or you can just put it in the crease. And it said it is not lip gloss, it's for eyeshadow, but that would be really cool if it was lip gloss. And let's see, this is, I think, the last thing in the box. Oh cool, we have a two-step here. So there's some kind of hair treatment, shine care, and a steam mask cap. Very cool. So it looks like you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and you rinse it out, and then your hair's all nice. Very cool. Let's take a look at the little pamphlet here. So the sunblock retails for $27. No stickiness, no white cast, not greasy. I would agree with that. Absorbs fast. Yes, definitely. Multi-brush retails for $24. Then we have the hair steam mask that retails for $15. Tells you how to use it in here because the instructions on here are not in English. And then here's the different colors of the glitter. So I think I got this Aurora one. They also have Silver Swan and Bronze Beam that retails for $13. And then the face mask retails for $4. Very cool. These are really exciting products and all stuff I will use. So very excited about that. If you guys are interested, I will put a link below so you can sign up for a subscription. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.